And remain seated upright with your restraint on until the ride
this ride, Bret has to sing "Rock You Like a Hurricane."
Thank you for riding and enjoy the rest of your day here at Fun Spot America.
Rock you like a hurricane.
Thank you.
Here we go.
People behind us. Third time in a row.
See, this would be another roller coaster I would put in my backyard.
We haven't even been on it yet.
Yeah, but just size. It's like the perfect size.
This looks so rickety. Oh my god, look at that. Russ, hey, hey.
Here we go. First up.
Oh no.
What was that noise?
Oh! Third time.
It's actually
Third
smooth.
time. It's so smooth.
That was incredible.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Holy crap, I haven't laughed like that in so long.
It's brutal.
That was amazing.
Hands up. Hands up.
Amazing.
Oh my god.
Round two, back row.
Back row.
We have to try it again because that was incredible.
I can go. Oh, it's so smooth that it instant neck drop.
No,
Oh, come on.
it's not. It is. What a roller coaster should feel like. Out of control. But now we're in the back row and I'm a little nervous.
The top is smooth. It's good. Now we're gonna push. Here we go. Okay. Smooth. Not bad.
Not bad.
It's the small one. Right here.
Here we go. Sorry, it's bad. Whoa! Launching out of my face.
Oh my god. Third time. Ragdolls at that last
It's
one.
way crazier in the front though. The front is way crazier. That was amazing. The front though, ride this in the front. Ride this in the front.
It's all good.
Oh man, that was incredible.
Tylenol Express.
No.
Oh my gosh. We have on-ride footage. You guys are going to see us get jacked around on this.
That was incredible.
It was so fun.
I've never laughed that hard on a roller. There's been a long time since I've laughed that hard on a roller coaster.
We laughed pretty hard yesterday.
That was so much fun.
Yeah, this was good.
All right, if you know a thing about our videos, we like to rank them in the order that they came to the park, and obviously this is number one.
This might stay at number one.
No. You got the coaster that is number 13 in the entire world coming
I'll
up.
be the judge of that. That's why we're here.
All right, coming to Mike Woodward's future backyard, this guy.
The Hurricane. Category 6.